Ready to try the easiest and most delicious chicken dinner recipe? If so, you're going to love these lemon pepper chicken wings. So easy to make with only a few ingredients. Hello, and welcome to Cooking Lessons for Dad, where you will learn to cook healthy, cook easy. My name is Karen Breyer, and this is my dad, Don. And today we are making a super easy, delicious chicken dinner. We're making lemon pepper chicken wings. They are so good, and this might be one of the easiest recipes that you've ever made for dinner.
That's what I need, something easy.
Yeah, and it only has a few ingredients.
Good.
So the ingredients in this recipe are chicken wings, melted butter, lemon pepper seasoning, and salt. So you need about 6 to 8 chicken wings, and you could actually adjust this recipe a little bit more or less. If you want to make 8 or 4, you could adjust it. The first thing that we're going to do is preheat the oven to 350 degrees, and I already did that. The next thing we're going to do is go ahead and melt 1 to 2 tablespoons of butter. You could heat it on a small pan over low heat and melt it that way, or in the microwave oven, and I melted this in the microwave oven. It just takes about 30 to 45 seconds. I cooked it at 30 and it was melted, so depending on your microwave how fast it is. So we got our butter melted. The next thing we're going to do is go ahead and put the chicken wings into our baking dish. So we have 6 chicken wings. All right, so there we have it. If you have 8 chicken wings, you probably need a bigger pan. The next thing that we need to do is we're just going to brush the chicken wings with butter. And I'll start and I'll let you finish. So we want to cover the surface of the chicken wings. So I'll let you do that. It's like painting. If you don't have a brush, you could just use a spoon and just spread it around.
There, I think we're all done.
Okay. The reason for the butter is so the seasonings will stick, otherwise they'll just roll off. So the next thing is we have lemon pepper seasoning. This is really delicious. We're just going to take some and sprinkle it around on the chicken wings. This is to taste, so just put as much as you want and do it evenly so they all get the same amount.
I always like a lot of seasonings.
Yeah, why don't you go ahead and finish, get the last.
Okay.
Yeah, it smells good already, huh?
Oh, yeah.
It looks pretty.
Mm-hmm. Here we are. Yep.
Okay, and then the next thing we have salt, and this is also to taste, so just put as much as you want. You could be light on the salt and you could add more at the table. Just spread it evenly, and that's it. Is that really easy?
Looks good to me.
So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put it in the oven. We're going to bake it about 35 to 45 minutes. You want to cook it until the chicken is done all the way through. The way you can check that is just get a knife, cut a thick part of the chicken, and make sure the juices run clear. If it's still red or pink, you want to bake it a little longer.
Okay.
And if you're really particular, you could put a thermometer in, and the thermometer should come out 165 degrees or hotter. So that's the way you can be absolutely sure it's done. But we'll go put it in the oven next. Okay, we're putting the chicken in the oven at 350 degrees, and we'll come back and check it at 35 minutes. Our lemon pepper chicken wings are done. We're going to go ahead and take them out. And you can see how delicious they look. And we're going to go try them. Okay, so our lemon pepper chicken wings are finished and they smell delicious. I'm going to go ahead and check one, make sure they're cooked all the way. And they look good, the juice is clear. So we're going to go ahead and try them now. Are you ready to try?
I've been waiting all afternoon.
Here you go.
Okay.
So is this pretty easy, huh?
Sure is. Smells good too.
So you could cut yours or just pick it up. Okay, you ready to try this?
Okay.
This is so good, it's unbelievable. So easy to make. Make it this week. Let me know how it turns out. And see you in the next lesson.